We are at Garden of Gethsemane. Jesus resurrected. Now it's Sunday. Yes. I'm not using my gimbal because I wasn't planning to take a video of it. Then I'm shaking a little bit. You can see the wall of the temple, the eastern wall, and the golden gate. Jesus will enter from there. And Cecille is in front of us. And look at the most amazing olive trees. Can you imagine? He was walking here on Thursday night and Judas kissed him. By that he betrayed him. If you like that short video, you must know that I do have more than 20,000 videos, short and long. Then subscribe my channel and be my friend forever. Church of Garden of Gethsemane, the Agony Church, All Nation Church. Bye bye.